Come with me as we scope out the room in Howard Johnson and the secret escape through the closet. Yes, if you are so lucky as to get one of these rooms at Howard Johnson, through the closet there is a hidden door which takes you into the sunroom. The room is in there. The patio is here, and the freeway is here. But in here, you're in just this little hidden room. You can close the curtains, and I guess the kids can have a secret hideout in here, but you'll want to make sure that they're safe and not opening this. This door definitely keeps out the freeway noise. And then this door, let's see, can it lock? It doesn't lock. So nobody's gonna get locked out of the room. But let's go backwards view through the closet and back into our room.